The Wise card has become a go-to tool for savvy travelers, international workers, and anyone needing to manage money across borders. Its promise of transparent, low-cost currency exchange is a major draw. However, when it comes to withdrawing cash from an ATM, the question often arises, how much will this actually cost me? As a finance expert, I'm here to demystify the Wise card's ATM withdrawal fees, ensuring you understand exactly what to expect and how to minimize costs. Understanding Wise's fee structure. It's not a one-size-fits-all. Unlike some traditional banks that might have a simple flat fee for every international ATM withdrawal, Wise employs a tiered fee structure. This means the amount you're charged depends on two main factors: the number of withdrawals you make within a calendar month, the total amount you withdraw within that calendar month. Let's break this down. Your free allowance. Wise offers a generous free allowance for ATM withdrawals each calendar month. This typically includes 2 free withdrawals per month, a free withdrawal allowance up to a certain amount. This amount varies depending on where your Wise card was issued. For example, for cards issued in the EEA, European Economic Area, it's often up to €200 per month. For cards issued in the UK, it's usually up to £200 per month. For cards issued in Australia or New Zealand, it's typically up to $350 per NZD per month. For cards issued in the US, it's commonly up to $100 per month. Important note, these are general examples. The precise free allowance for your Wise card is determined by the country where your account is registered, your registered address on your Wise account. You can always check your specific limits and fees directly in the Wise app under the Card tab, then Limits or ATM fees. Fees beyond the free allowance. Once you exceed either the number of free withdrawals or the free amount allowance within a calendar month, Wise will apply charges. Fixed fee per withdrawal. If you make more than 2 withdrawals in a calendar month, a small fixed fee will be charged for each additional withdrawal, regardless of the amount. This fee also varies by region, e.g., 50 cents for EA-issued cards, 50 pence for UK-issued cards, $1.50 for US-issued cards. Variable fee on amount withdrawn. If the total amount you withdraw in a calendar month exceeds your free allowance, a variable fee will be applied to the amount over that limit. This is typically a percentage of the withdrawn amount, often around 1.75%. This fee applies to every withdrawal that pushes you over the free monthly amount, even if it's your first or second withdrawal of the month. To illustrate, let's say you have an EA-issued Wise card with a free allowance of 2 withdrawals and €200 per month. Scenario 1. 1 withdrawal of €150. Wise fee, €0 within free allowance. Scenario 2. 2 withdrawals of €100 each, total €200. Wise fee, €0 within free allowance. Scenario 3. 1 withdrawal of €300. Wise fee, 1.75% of €100, amount over €200, equals €1.75. Since it's your first withdrawal, no fixed fee applies yet. Scenario 4. 3 withdrawals of €50 each, total €150. Wise fee, 2 withdrawals free, third withdrawal incurs fixed fee, equals 50 cents for the third withdrawal. Scenario 5. 3 withdrawals of €100 each, total €300. Wise fee, fixed fee for third withdrawal, plus variable fee on €100, amount over €200, equals 50 cents plus €1.75 equals €2.25. It's crucial to understand this combination of fixed and variable fees to plan your withdrawals strategically. The elephant in the room. ATM operator fees. Beyond Wise's own fees, there's another crucial charge to be aware of: ATM operator fees, also known as surcharges or access fees. Many ATM operators, especially in popular tourist destinations or independent ATMs, charge their own fee for using their machine. This fee is entirely separate from Wise's charges and goes directly to the ATM owner. Key points about ATM operator fees. You'll be notified. Reputable ATMs will display a warning screen with their fee amount before you confirm the transaction. Always read the screen carefully. They vary widely. These fees can range from a small flat amount to a significant percentage of your withdrawal. No control for Wise. Wise has no control over these fees and cannot waive them. How to avoid/reduce them. Use bank-owned ATMs. ATMs located at major banks or post offices are generally less likely to charge high surcharges compared to independent ATMs in convenience stores or small shops. Check ATM network logos. Look for logos like Visa, MasterCard, Plus, or Cirrus on your Wise card and the ATM. Sometimes, sticking to ATMs within these larger networks can help. Research your destination. Before traveling, a quick online search for ATM fees in country can give you an idea of common surcharges. Dynamic currency conversion, DCCA hidden trap. When withdrawing cash in a foreign currency, you might be asked by the ATM if you want to be charged in your home currency, e.g. USD if your Wise account is based in the US, or the local currency, e.g. NGN if you're in Nigeria. This is known as dynamic currency conversion, DCC. Always choose to be charged in the local currency. If you choose your home currency, the ATM operator will perform the currency conversion for you, usually at a much less favorable exchange rate, adding a hidden markup on top of any other fees. By selecting the local currency, you allow Wise to perform the conversion at its mid-market exchange rate, the real rate, which is always more cost-effective. Wise card and Nigeria. A specific consideration. For those in Nigeria or planning to use their Wise card there, it's vital to know the local landscape. The Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN, has its own regulations regarding ATM fees for withdrawals. Interbank ATM fees. Nigerian banks typically charge fees for withdrawals made from ATMs of other banks. While these fees might not directly come from Wise, they will be deducted from your withdrawal amount by the local ATM operator. International ATM charges. For international cards like Wise, the charges will generally be based on cost recovery, meaning customers bear the exact fee applied by the international acquirer, the bank facilitating the transaction. Wise card availability in Nigeria. As of my last update, while you can use a Wise card in Nigeria for spending and withdrawals, Wise cards are not yet available for residents of Nigeria to order. This means if you are a Nigerian resident, you likely obtained your Wise card while residing in another country where Wise operates. Always check the latest CBN directives and local ATM operator notices for the most current fees in Nigeria.